everybody, it's Jerry Z with the team at ROVI Homes. We're here today at my new mixed-use commercial listing in Thompson, Connecticut, sweet old northeast corner. Now this property's got a restaurant, a detached garage, and 2 residential units. Great for the investor or the restaurant owner who wants to live on their own property. Let's go take a look. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this new mixed-use commercial listing I have in Thompson, Connecticut. If you have questions about this property or any others, contact me at the number below. If you need any help with buying, selling, or investing, contact me, Jerry Z, because I want to work with you. We'll see you on the next one.